Action.
How to change the feed rollers on the Canon Scanfront 400. Stage 1. Make sure the paper catcher tray is open. Stage 2. Then release the latch on the left-hand side of the control panel and open fully. Stage 3. To replace the lower feed roller, release roller retainer and remove roller and replace in reverse order. Stage 4. Releasing upper roller. Again, release the light grey roller retainer. Gently pushing down to removable position. Stage 5. Approaching from left-hand side, using your index finger, push gently on the blue tab attached to the roller and remove from the scanner. Stage 6. When inserting new roller, make sure you lift up the small black paper guide and reinsert. Stage 7. Close the light grey roller retainer and close control panel.